What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another set of case reviews. This time we're going to be looking at some cases that I just got in from the company Hummixx. I've never had one of their cases, so I decided to give them a try. Now, we're going to just talk about a few of the features on these cases first. Just got that plastic backing off. Very hard backing, guys. This is one of the hardest that I've probably seen on a clear case in a while. We got cutouts down bottom, cutouts on the side, buttons on the side, camera cutout. It's not much to a case. So hard backing, and these tough rubber or silicone edges should protect that phone. Now you got three variants here. You got this white with the frosted edge, you got the clear with the black on the edge, and then you got this kind of matte black with the dark black edges right here. I'm gonna try each one of them on just so you can see how they look on the phone. And there you go. So that's the white on white. So it basically looks really clean, white on white. Camera is protected, sits down in there in a groove. Buttons down bottom match up. Everything looks good. Now this is for the iPhone 11, guys. iPhone 11, that iPhone XR replacement. Now these cases are a little tough to get off, but they have a hard rubberized edging that's gonna basically make it a little bit tougher to get off. It doesn't really give, it doesn't bend a whole lot. So it's easy to snap in, but it may be a little tougher to get out. So that's that matte finish. You can still see your Apple logo through the back. Cutouts match up. Everything looks good on the side here. No branding, no logos on it. It's just a pretty clean and simplistic type case. Now that one's a little bit easier to get out. Now we're gonna try on this clear back with the black edging. Pop that in, and there you go. You still get to keep that same color that you bought, that color that you're looking for. Camera is protected right there. Do we get a bezel? I did not test for the bezel, but we will test on this one. You do get a slight bezel. If you drop your phone, your screen should be protected. You have a little bit of a bezel there. Screen disappears right there, okay? So everything looks good, everything matches up. It feels good in the hand, it's not slippery. So this back is anti-scratch, and it's not gonna turn yellow and fade out like some clear cases will. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. I'll be sure and drop a link below so you can go and check this out for yourself. But until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.